Oh, look at that there. There's a weapon. There's a weapon, folks, in the car. Wow. I think you will be interfering with what I am doing if you start trying to block my camera.
Section criminal law, that's right.
Criminal law, section 3. Right, look it up. Google it, mate. Google it.
Yeah, so
yeah.
I'll tell you now, section 3 of the criminal law.
Yeah.
The use of force.
Yeah. So what, section 88 apiece, use of force? Section 88 apiece, you're figure off, lad.
Okay, sorry, I just forgot, yes.
Yeah.
One use of force, right?
Yeah, that'll be right, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. I'll keep you straight, lads, don't worry about that. I'll point out when you're on the wrong. Can I report that incident to you now about this?
Can indeed, aye.
No bother, mate. Do you want to take that on your body worn, what you can see?
Well, I can see it here. I'll make them aware when they come out.
Right, no
When they come
bother.
out, I'll make them aware that it's happened.
That's open, like.
I know. That's why
You know that door's open?
You brought them attention, so...
We left the firearm in the unlocked car, folks. N50543. Sergeant, was that you, Sergeant?
You run the white triangles.
Pardon? No, I wasn't. Actually, I asked your colleagues. What about these folks? DJ Ellis here, then Lauren here. See a lot of police there, look. Orange Crocs, man. Got the doors here, hope for life here. Don't really look about. Armed police here, folks, at the door. Armed. And guns pointed. And police everywhere. The folks will just stay at a safe distance. We'll see what the old armed cops are at. Yeah, folks, what about you here? Welcome to Lauren. The PSNI, armed TSG, Technical Support Group, armed to the teeth here. The house here, from Lauren, we're on the fires. All doing it, I don't know what's happening here, man. I've just rolled up here. Just seen all the cars going up the road there. And you can see them all armed there, look. Firearms officers. Don't know, mate, I don't know what's happening in Lauren here, mate. You can see them all obviously there, armed there. Starting to enter the house. What's the man saying now? Yeah. See if we can get a bit closer here, folks. What is here? Yeah, so welcome to Northern Ireland, folks. So the folks are everywhere. Still not there, sorry, my folks up. So I don't know what's happening here, folks. So people know what's happening. Oh, all around them, anyway. There you go. Yeah, folks, one armed here. I just entered that house there, I don't know what that's all about. Morning, Joanne, how you doing here? And Lauren here, man. Armed response there, all three up, maybe up the road there. What the crack is. Big up chat, welcome everybody in the chat. It's Craigie Hill G. Craigie Hill here in the new, I think it's the Lindara estate, Northern Ireland. Just stay at a safe distance here anyway, folks. So there's one car in November Golf City, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There was another one that just drove up. And yeah, folks, Lauren, Northern here. Welcome everybody. Crack guys. There's no sign, there's no tip tape up, as they say, man. No tip tape up. Look at that. The NGZ number on it. 46. Whiskey Golf City. It's got the very standard number on it there. How do you, lad? What's going on today, lad?
It's alright, sir. Don't be worrying yourself.
Pardon?
Don't be worrying yourself.
Oh, I'm not worried. I'm just asking.
I know.
I'll just drop that so I don't get any number to public on this, you know. So there's be the TSG here in Northern Ireland, so it probably would be. This ARV, whatever ARV means. Looks like it. Probably something to do with arms, folks. What's ARV stand for, mate, in the back of his jacket, do you know?
What's it stand for?
Aye.
Armed response.
Armed response, right, thank you very much. Oh, that makes sense, doesn't it? Thank you for that information, lad. Thank you. Okay, wearing there a big crowbar, boy. He must have dropped 50p. He must be trying to open his wallet there. Oh, hands. Another enforcement type tool there, look. So yeah, folks, Northern Ireland here. Northern Ireland here. Lindara, Prison Estate. So it is. Somebody got these vehicles. Oh, MOT check. Tires alright there, look. Discs and pads look alright now. How you doing, folks? You doing well?
Not too bad yourself.
Oh, not bad, not bad. What's going on today? You don't mind me asking?
GDPR, I can't
Oh, you can't tell me, mate. Can't disclose that information.
I cannot.
Oh, mate, no.
You yourself, you're free to film.
I know I'm free to follow, thank you for that. I know you, lad. I've heard you before, lad. I won't put your wee smiley face on camera, lad, so well, I'll try not to. But if I catch you, I catch you. Alright, lad. Be safe today, mate. Be safe. So, obviously it's not that serious, or they would have had all this here taped up, would they?
I can't comment, you know that.
Cordoned off.
How's it going?
How you doing, mate?
Do us a wee favour, just don't get the regis or anything, alright?
Pardon, mate?
Just don't get the wee regis or
What
anything,
regis?
alright?
Sure, they're public vehicles. They're public vehicles, mate. Whiskey Golf Zulu there, folks, on that vehicle there, look. Whiskey Golf Zulu. I'll get you the numbers in a minute. 6299, man. It's a public vehicle, folks, so it is. I'm not filming into the back of the car here, so I'm not actually. Yeah, the tires look good on it. So the tires look alright, that, man. This one's up there, like, don't be filming the registration on a public vehicle, like. Big up CP, what about you? Stuart Brown, how you doing, lad? Aye, mate, they're all armed in Northern Ireland. Like, I think it's Glock 17s is their standard issue, I think, like. Could be wrong on that, but what I'm led to believe. I think it is, man. I'm staying at a safe distance here, folks, anyway. Like, if they wanted, if there was something special there, they would have this cordoned off, but obviously they don't. So they're taking people out of the house, folks, who don't want to record that either, you know. Don't really want to put members of the public online there, you know. Just have a wee look at what the public first pays for. I can hear the radio on there, folks. They're actually relaying messages there. Couldn't quite pick it up what it said on the radio on that vehicle. So I can hear them chatting there. There's somebody's lunch in there, look. On response. There's his name, McCullen or something. Lauren, folks, Lauren, here in Northern Ireland, County Antrim. So it is Lynn Dara, just off Antyville, Craigie Hill direction. Look at that there. There's a weapon. There's a weapon, folks, in the car. Wow. Wow, look at that there, man. That looks like an MP5. Folks, you see that there? A weapon left in a car in public, not a police officer about that. Nobody about, and there's a weapon, a machine gun. Unbelievable. Well done, PSNI. That's actually, I think that's an MP5. Wow. Wow, folks. This is the armed response. People here, and they've actually left a weapon on view. I can't get over that, folks. There's a weapon left in a police car. An unmarked police car here at the side of a road. The police are down there, and there's a full-scale weapon in that car. That's blowing my mind, man. Look, the safety's on it. You can see the S and the F, folks. I'll try and zoom here for you. You can see the S and the F. Wow. A weapon, man. Don't know if it's an MP5 or not, mate, but yeah, so folks, there's a weapon. Officer, constable, can I make you aware there's a weapon lying on show in this car? There's a weapon in there, mate. Lying on show. You aren't even guarding this car.
We're keeping our eyes out, don't you worry.
There's a full-scale weapon in there.
That's right. That's the armed response vehicle.
Yes, but the weapon should not be lying in a car, mate, on display.
I can't account for armed response.
Well, would you like to make somebody aware of that and get that moved?
We'll make them aware. They're dealing with an incident at the minute. Once
wow, mate, can I get your wee number, by the way?
Can indeed, 54345.
54345, thank you very much, mate. Wow, that should not be there, mate.
Well, thanks for bringing it to our attention.
Well, I'll bring it to your attention, mate. No way, man. Look at this car, too. Not even an officer guarding this. And a firearm, I would assume it'd be live. I can see the safeties on it. The safeties on it, assumed into the safety there on that weapon, folks. I haven't touched the car, by the way, folks, so they won't be doing with fecal interference. So they won't, but a full-scale weapon left in the car, man. Wow. You can't write this from the PSNI at Northern Ireland. Unbelievable. I don't know, a wee few millsiders off it, folks. Unbelievable. And I'll tell you even better, folks, the doors are open. The fucking doors are open on the vehicle. Officer, can I make you aware the doors are open on that vehicle too?
I'll make them aware once come out.
Wow. Unbelievable, folks. There's a weapon in there, look, and there's the buttons up. This car is open. This car has been left open with a weapon. Wow, what the fuck? I saw the safety's on it, but that's not the point. Oh my fucking god. Kids and everything, this is a housing estate, folks. This is a housing estate. Car left unlocked. Hang on, look at the registration of this car here anyway while I'm here. KGZ 7932 Stuart. Wow, serious misconduct would be an understatement. Unusual sloppiness from the PSNI, exactly. Kipper sniffer, what about you, lad? Well, that would be Roe Moat's wet dream. A firearm lying in an opened BMW. There's the buttons, folks. The buttons up. We're in Northern Ireland here, folks, with Northern Ireland's so-called finest. And they're leaving weapons in unlocked cars. Wow. That's blew my mind, folks. That has blew my mind. So this is an armed response vehicle here, so it is. With a weapon. And it, wow. Officer, can I get your wee name if you don't mind? You don't have to give me. Can I get your
Cousin
name?
McCarthy.
What station will that be?
You know where you're from.
Yeah, no way, mate. Can I report that incident to you now about this?
Can indeed. Aye.
No bother, mate. Do you want to take that on your body board, what you can see
Well,
in there?
I can see it here. I'll make them aware when they come out.
Right, no
When they come out,
bother.
I'll make them aware that it's happened.
That's open, like.
I know. That's why I'm
You
standing
know
here,
that door's
aye.
open?
Aye. You
Yep.
brought them my attention, so I'll make them aware that it's happened.
Wow, that's unbelievable. There's kids playing in the street, you know. Wow, unbelievable. Well, wait here, folks, because I want to get the officer who got out of this car and left this firearm here. Firearmer, folks, in an open police car. Unbelievable. Negligence would be an understatement here, folks, so it would. Now, it's not this fella here in front of me, it's not his vehicle. He's probably in one of the marked cars, but oh my fucking god. Sorry for the language, folks, again. That's blew my mind. Blew my mind, man. So yeah, folks, straight from the streets here in Northern Ireland. What about you all? Welcome to the chat. Multimedia, how you doing, lad? Embarrassing would be an understatement, mate. I think it's some sort of machine gun, so it is there. Sorry about the rain getting on the lens here, starting to actually last out here, but I'll give this a wipe. Wow, man. Where else would you get it? Only in Northern Ireland, finest. Let's go again, folks. Anybody's just joined the chat. Weapon, safety on it, door open. That fine officer there has just confirmed that the car is opened. It's parked in a residential area, a public housing estate. But there was nobody at this. Them police were all standing down there before I pointed that weapon out to your guy there. This car, unbelievable. Sorry, folks, if I'm missing something in the chat here, right? Big G, what about you, lad? What about you? There, he's just locked the car. The lights, I don't know if you've seen that light being flashed there. But yeah, there's the button down there. So now we know for real it was lying open with a weapon on it. We'll get this guy's number who left this car and weapon in it. What about you, CI? How's things? Multimedia. Aye, he probably left it his lunchbox or left it a banana thinking it was a gun instead and left the real McCoy lying in the car. That's what I'm saying, this is the housing estate here. The car's open, as you seen that there, the headlight just flashed, he just locked it there. Wow. Say like, Kilo Golf Zulu, like. What about this one? We'll have a look at this one, see if there's any. No, have a look in that. That's alright. There's his lunch here. Look, he's left it out of the wrong car. That is unreal, folks. That has blew my mind. So we're in Larne here, folks. Larne, 20 mile outside Belfast. 20 mile outside Belfast here on the Antrim coast. This here policeman there who I made aware of the weapon being in the car, that unlocked car, that car there has jumped into the marked police van. Now folks, and again, I'm just going to show you again the weapon, folks. To anybody who has just joined the chat, this weapon, you can see the safety, it's on safety. This weapon is in full view to the public and they left the car open. They've just locked it there when I pointed it out. This is unreal. Northern Ireland's finest, man. Northern Ireland's finest. Wow. Hospital proximity. A couple of guys down there. So it is. Dirt Farmer, what about you, lad? What about you, mate? Live firearms left in unlocked cars. Can't write it. You cannot write this, folks. There's a weapon, folks, again. They have locked the car. Northern Ireland's finest. ASP, what about you? Sniper, catfish. How's things? Aye, they are responsible in their house here if anybody's just joined there. Like, I'm not going to put anybody that lives in the house on the video actually, unless obviously they're going to be being abused or anything, you know. It's just here to get the police at gross misconduct here, man. Gross misconduct, man. Firearm left in a car, unlocked. You wouldn't Adam and Eve it, folks, would you? Well, you would. It's Northern Ireland. Folks, get this video shared everywhere, please share this video everywhere. This needs to get out here. There's another wee case for the ombudsman to close. CP reports, what about you, lad? Brawl box, fair play to you again, man. Respect to you, man, for always coming on the channel. Oh. So it wasn't that serious. There's an incident that he had to leave his weapon in the car. By the way, just who ever joined, the car was unlocked. There you go, it's on safety. We'll zoom in there if anybody knows what sort of gun that is. There's a number on it of some description. I'll get the butt on it, there's something on the butt. Yeah, folks, this vehicle was unlocked. They've locked it now. They've since locked it since I pointed this out. Oh, man. Wow. Big chat there, big up chat. Thank you everyone for joining here from Northern Ireland and with Northern Ireland's finest here, who leave firearms in opened cars in a housing estate. Wee man Sham, what about you? Kipper, sniffer. Yeah, you can't read it. They're all sitting there looking sorry for themselves, but I know it's none of the guys here in uniform. But it's not the guys in uniform, it's the armed response. So it is, so I don't know what he's doing by leaving the real gun. Doesn't matter, riot gun. Doesn't matter, mate. It's a weapon, man, and an unopened, an unlocked car. Unlocked car, man. Just got that there, the car going by. I'm fairly safe distance, folks, here. I don't know if it's batting rounds or what it's in it like, but it shouldn't have been left in an open vehicle, folks. That's for sure. I know that much. And that officer in there confirmed that the vehicle was opened. He confirmed it was opened. And they did lock the vehicle because I got the lights and the button going down on it. I remember they're probably going past everyone. Come that way there, look. Yes, folks, Larne County Antrim here in Northern Ireland, folks. Anybody's just joined. Larne County Antrim, Northern Ireland, 20 odd miles outside Belfast. I was actually just driving up the road there and a couple of cars raced past me on the Blues and Twos. So just thought I'd see what they're doing. Look up roadblocks like that comment, man. There's the vehicle. I don't want to get that guy in the corner. So yeah, folks, share this video here, folks. Share this video because something's telling me here. I know the PSNI are watching my life. Something's telling me here they might try and grip this phone here. I know it's going live, so share this video while he's calm, folks. Something's telling me these clowns might actually try and grab this phone off me here, like for evidential purposes, even though I'm not doing nothing wrong. But it's the PSNI. So it is. It's the PSNI. You know what they're like? All on to themselves. All on to themselves. I don't know whose house it is, Carl, anyway, and anybody comes out of the house, I'm not going to put them on camera, so I'm not, mate, I'm not going to do that, like. Obviously, if they're getting assaulted or abused, I will put them on camera, but "100 witnesses, happy days, CP reports, big up, mate. I haven't even got my body cam, mate, I'll be honest with you, Nathan. I've no body worn on, mate, I just stumbled across this, mate. I've seen all the armed response stand at the door. Well, obviously there's one missing his weapon. All armed response stand at the door, like, obviously one's missing his weapon because it's still in the motor car. That's unreal. What's really? Oh, there's a number in there. NI, it's a sergeant's, there's a sergeant's, let me see, sergeant's number in the back of the car, armed response. So NI 50543, that would be the coat in the back of this armed response vehicle where there is a weapon still sitting in the front seat. This car was open, folks. The police only locked this car when I made them aware of the weapon. It still shouldn't be sitting there. That still not should be sitting there in public show. So it would be a Sergeant 50543 from the armed response. There you go, folks. Anybody want to do what you have to do? OFC. Not touching the vehicle, folks, not touching it. Bit of kit in the back, I can't see it, but there is. Yeah, you catch these clowns every day of the week, mate. You catch these clowns every day of the week.
Why don't you come right over, sure, you can be closer.
Every day of the week.
Morrison. Where's my dog?
I'll move this here out of the way here, folks, so just remember the public out there that will move this out of the way. Somebody around there shouting. That's what I'm saying, folks. I'm not going to put the owners or anybody in the house on or anything like that, like. So I'm not. I want to ask this policeman on this here scene here, actually. Is there an inspector? Can I ask you a question, lad? Obviously you'll have an inspector in charge of this today. Is he on scene?
Now, I'm from Newry, so we're just up to assist, so
right,
I'm not sure who's on
but I see a sergeant's shoulder number and all in the back of the car, so there will be a sergeant in charge today, yeah?
I believe they have a sergeant with them in the
right,
response,
that's okay,
yeah.
Would there be an inspector on scene?
Well, if they're on scene, they may be reviewing it from...
Well, they will be from the station,
but
yeah.
I don't know if they're on scene or not. Say we came here late to bring the cell phone up.
No worries, lad. Thank you very much, lad. Thank you, mate. Appreciate that, lad. Yeah, so that's a sergeant. I'm saying, folks, I'm no interest in members of the public. I'm not interested in the members of the public unless we get abused. Monday video. Paranormal Channel X, what about you? Yeah, man. It's ridiculous here, so it is. A couple of people standing across the road there, look. Yeah, as I say, I don't want any members of the public, folks, to be honest with you. Share this video everywhere, folks. Big G hidden in the comments, is he? Oh, normal, mate. Keep the chin up, lad. Keep the chin up, mate. You'll be alright, man. Keep the chin up, lad. Sorry, mate. We'll cross the road. I'm gonna go across the road here, folks. We're not here. Like, I'll speak to this here. Okay. Thank you very much, though. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate that. We'll just get the wee cigarette off somebody, an owner across the road. Hey there. All good, hi.
You know what's going on? What's going on?
I haven't got a clue, man. I haven't got a clue. I've just seen a lot of armed response there. Actually, you see that BMW?
Yeah.
There's a firearm left in it and the door's open. I've actually just closed the door there when I pointed out to them. So, this is non orange finest here for you folks.
So real.
So yeah, big up, chat. The firearm's still in the car, G. The guy's sitting behind me there, mate. There's a phone on the back seat too there. It's a sergeant. It's a sergeant because you can see his shoulder number and his jacket in there. But don't want to get this wee lad in, but there is a cop in that there van there watching the car. Obviously now that I pointed out there's a firearm in it. Oh! There's a armed response coming out now. Out of the house now, folks. I don't really want to say anything. I don't want to get any members of the public. But Nathan, what about you, lad? Just a guy here I need to talk to, is it? Okay. You know the same, is it? No, that number's different. So, how do you, lad? Yeah, got a weapon there, mate. Well pulled up. How do you, lad? Can I see a bit of your kit, mate? Mate, what's that weapon in the back there? That wee stuff in the back behind your pistol. There you go, folks. That weapons left in. NI 52315. I asked you what's going on today, lad.
Unfortunately, I can't disclose that information with you, mate. Yeah.
That's alright.
Data protection, all that there, but
Yes, I can ask
I
you.
appreciate your concern.
Yeah, I can ask you a question. Come on in.
Obviously there, so.
Yeah, there's the same weapon. There's the same weapon there. That's the same weapon that was left in an open car. Yeah, so folks, these boys are not messing about today, Lex, they're not. A few more of them here. Big up, chat. What about these all? Big up, chat. Any of these guys on this car here with this firearm in it? Yeah.
Right. Have you interfered with that car at all?
No, I haven't touched it,
Take a wee step back from it. Thank you very much. Cheers, thank you.
I'm alright, mate. I'm alright.
Right, if you just take a step back from it, don't interfere with the car because that's an offence in itself. You do that. Alright.
You're kind of on there.
You give us a wee bit of space there, just please. Thank you very
You killed
much.
me, lad. Remember that. You killed me. The firearm's really on camera anyway, lad, so I wouldn't worry about it. On an open vehicle, which is locked. It's Northern Ireland, folks, 20 mile outside Belfast here, Eamon, so it is. A firearm left in an open BMW here, so there was. For public, with the kids and all play about in the streets here. Not even an officer guarding it. They only locked the car when I pointed the firearm out to them. Nah, mate, I can stand as close as I want. Don't tape up, no nothing, like. You know what they're like, anyway. You know. Yeah, folks, got 17s as far as I'm aware. These guys carry here. Standard issue here, like. No, mate, I didn't touch the car. That's what I'm saying. I was talking to a plain clothes officer there. I got his name and all. I actually made him aware of the weapon being in the unlocked car. So they've been made aware of anyway, folks. Share this video live anyway, folks. Get this video shared here, just in case the PSNI try to rip this phone out of my hand or something. You know what the crack is like. You know what they're like in this country, man. I think they're actually going to put somebody on the back of the van there, folks. I'm not going to record that. It's just public service here, folks. Sort of service there to leave weapons on show for folks. There's some of our kit in the boot. Big black key, big red key, it's called in England. Regular, all good. Yeah, see you're trying to do there. Well, there's kind of a law. I think you will be interfering with what I'm doing if you start trying to block my camera.
Section criminal law, that's right.
Kind of law, like section 3, but right. Look it up, Google it, mate, Google it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'll tell you now, section 3 of the criminal law.
Yeah.
Against the use of force.
Yeah. So what, section 88 apiece, use of force? Section 88 apiece, you're figuring off, lad?
Okay, sorry, I just right for that, yes. Mark,
Yeah.
one use of force, right?
Yeah, that'll be right, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'll keep you right, lads, don't worry about that. I'll point out when you're on the wrong. There's the door, just been paid. See what one opens it. Who owns the firearm in the car? Who left the firearm in the unlocked car? Who left the firearm in the unlocked car, folks? N50543. Sergeant, was that you, Sergeant?
You run the big triangles.
Pardon? No, I wasn't. Actually, I asked your colleagues. I made your colleague aware of the firearm that's sitting in there, lad. And an unmarked vehicle.
The car wasn't unlocked.
Yes, it was. It's all on camera, mate. You're caught opening it and the button's going down on camera, mate. Live across the internet, man. Sergeant too. Let me see. It's actually his weapon because he's not trying it. There you go, folks. Just confirmed it's that sergeant's weapon that they're sitting in there, look, folks. Yeah. His weapon. On his number there. Wow. Wow. 50543. His weapon left in the... Unbelievable, folks. Only in Northern Ireland. Only in Northern Ireland. Definitely his weapon because he hadn't got one on him. 100%. The sergeant didn't lock our other car. That was left open, lad.
Thank you.
Yes, no bother.
Have a good day.
Yes, see yourself, mate. Be safe.
Okay.
Wow, folks. Wow. So they're all starting to move away from the scene here now, folks. Sergeant's fucked. Sergeant is fucked. That's his weapon because everybody else had the same weapon on their shoulders. His weapon was in the car still. Don't believe that, man. I don't believe that. Folks, sir, you can, he's no, well, there's somebody coming out of the house, I don't want to push it on. No, mate, none the wiser, mate, none the wiser, like, none the wiser, lad. So, yeah, and again, these guys again here, look, armed response, leaving the, oh, wow. Just leave that in there, folks. Just wait here, this Mark 1's going here, folks. Yeah, folks, get this shared here, get this shared, because I think these clowns might try and take this off of here because of the evidence that's on it. Get this shirt, folks, get this shirt. From Ireland here, Northern Ireland. Wow, absolutely wow. Don't believe that. Don't believe it, folks. That is crazy. Anyway, folks, I'm just going to keep this here lit a wee minute here while I walk away. Yeah, folks. What did you hear, man? Did you interfere with the vehicle? Ah, mate. Ah, of course I did, you clown. Stupid. Oh, stupid at times. They are around the distance, folks. In the public arrest, man. That's Northern Ireland's finest. Big up, chat. Appreciate everyone for joining in the chat today. Word, please. Big up to you all. Look at her wee smiley face there, look. Got her smiley little face. Yeah. These folks actually don't care, man. They don't care. Put it dirt for me, yep. Thank you, lad. Number 55 broke. Yes, 100%, man. Gonna bounce on down this way here, folks. I'll probably light myself up again here if it happens, but here, folks, you've seen it here firsthand. Weapons and unlocked vehicles. I'm not even a policeman in sight to be seen. So here from Larne, Northern Ireland, please share this video, folks. Please share this video everywhere here. So from Larne, County Antrim, Northern Ireland, 20 miles outside Belfast. All the best, folks. Take it easy, and as always, hit that like, share, subscribe, and may the force be with ye.